Okay, I think we always been saying that we are babies of the bad market. So whenever we think the markets are bad, we say, oh wow, great, opportunity, hit hard. So if I say that Zengi is a baby of bad market, it's not unusual to say. So when I started way back in 1989, as all my fellows used to say this, whenever it's a bad time, there's a time when enterprise is starting, but what next? So way back in 1989, I used to be in a job, company called LML Vespa, as a mechanical engineer, not mechanical engineer, hardcore shop floor person. So I realized that the growth ahead of it is not going to make me happy. You are unhappy, you leave the job, come to the city of being a senior guy. I started project consultancy. And when we start project consultancy field, there's a starting point of any entrepreneur to think of a business. So business was to do business to first time entrepreneur. And after that, since 1990, we have been growing with the business. The needs of the business can be and our services offering around the business can change with the time. From project consultancy to project finance to syndication, equity raising, restructuring, sale of asset, sale of business, purchase of business in India, purchase of business cross border. So we are going with the market with every phase of the 6 and when we look at 24 years behind, we are going through every stage of business development. So when that happens, we realize that yes, if you are well grounded, your feet on the ground, your connect with the client is good, if your service offering is solution driven, if we can provide something which client has not thought of, but it fits into the requirement, that's where you have an advantage of proactive thinking.
Customer service.
Proactive, think before they think, act before they act.
Would you like to share that particular customer quote?
Okay, as thinking.
Evil.
Yes, so as thinking, we have a clear message to our team, which is right now we are one of the largest team in India, trade market category. Among the top 10 firms we are in India. So we have very clear message to you that deal making, so to say, is always playing in the gaps. So whenever there is a gap, understand it correctly. Assessment of gaps in the deficiency is a core business. So that what I am applying through this principle, which is confuse, diffuse, and infuse. So
People, did you get that? Confuse, diffuse, and infuse. This is what he uses to bag his customers.
So what happens? A person who is like, if a person is running business, 25 years is running a business, and suddenly says, oh my God, I reached a level, what next? That means there is a confusion. Succession issue, there is a confusion. Lack of capital, there is a confusion. Technological difference, there is a confusion. Inter-partnership, confusion. Investors want to exit, confusion. So there is always some confusion in the mind of a businessman. And businessman is attached to business. Many times when you have a problem, you do not know the problem. It's only when you see overview, you realize there is a problem. So that confusion is a starting point for us to think. So we always keep our eyes and ears open. Where is that confusion coming from? The confusion, as I said, could be any kind of a confusion. Technology, finance, inter-partner, succession, market, bottleneck, anti-barrier, fatigue, just enough. That confusion when we think, we go in hard, we assess this. What is the cause of confusion? Is it a confusion? Can be converted into transaction? The solution of transaction could be raising capital, getting partner, selling business, buying business, joint venture, any kind of a solution is confusion. So that's the time we go to client and say there is a confusion, we go and diffuse. There is a diffuser.
Here you infuse yourself.
We first diffuse that don't worry, we are here. Here is a confusion, we have understood this. Now we come back to you with a correct position of solution which doesn't hit your heart. That's because diffuser. And at the diffuse stage, we come with our love letters, we call it offer letter. There are terms, this is what we do, and this is what we achieve. We call it infusion. When we infuse, we are result oriented, and once we result brought to the table, which are absolutely new to the client, we get a repeat business. So as indeed, last 24 years time, I would try to say that we have not lost one customer which we wanted to use. We have not lost one opportunity which we wanted to service. And I think we are happy about it.
Wow, thank you so much. That's it.